with grape jam.
Grape jam. Yeah, got to talk proper with the executives are listening. I've eaten a biscuit with grape jam. Keep it professional when you guys are, when the execs tune in. How was it? How was the grape jam? How was it? When you had it on your biscuit.
And sausage. So I've never had. I don't know what I'm laughing at. I don't know what
We're showing the execs how happy we are.
What? That's like a dog eating sound. Like you need, like that's the decibel level's got to be like a barking
I
sound.
hate being shocked. I hate it. I don't want to die.
Right. So I want to keep living.
I mean, based on the expectations coming into this, will it chip?
no.
Would you rather just have a straight penis? I mean
Don't do that again.
sorry. I'm sorry. I swear I don't.
But
I
since
don't
you ask,
mean-
no.
Okay. All right. I'll join the bandwagon. Will it penis? I mean,
What is wrong with you? That's another episode, man.
yeah, write that.
Write it down.
Write that down.
This is freaking nerve-wracking, man.
Yeah, see, you laughing at me over there, making old dog sounds.
What just happened? My eyes are watery. Like I started crying.
It shocked you.
It didn't shock me.
Oh, it did.
It just scared me. I'm really drooping.
I'm making lots of more noises than I thought I would. I'm not gonna be distracted by you. Okay, I need you to monitor mine, Link, because we gotta measure it before it falls apart. Let's keep it in. I know you can't talk. Is it about to drip? Measure it! Measure it! It's over here on the right side! Get it! Don't hit me! Okay, what was it?
7 centimeters.
Why did you eat it?
I don't know. I'll clean it.
Hold on a second. I'm not. Oh gosh. Wipe your mouth, please. Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Get out.
Get
Get
up.
out.
Get up.
Nope. Get out.
Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Get out.
Get up. Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Get out. Yeah.
Get up.
Get out.
Get up.
Ow. You're TMJ, man.
Shh. Get up.
Get out.
Yeah. Get out. 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 Get out.